Dr. Bedi, for somebody, who knows Delhi policing at the back of its hand, many would suggest it's impossible to actually comb through vehicles as they are coming in. How do you read this? Do you read this as a big intelligence failure? It's after a very long time we've seen the heart of the national capital being attacked where a terror strike and a suicide bomb is concerned. Or do you see that, yes, we've been able to bust a larger terror module and yes, one did get away, but one needs to count their blessings. But 9 lives have been lost, Dr. Bedi.
I think we've been able to bust a very large disaster. And that disaster, I think, was to be spread all over the country. I think this was a beginning. And I think we have got them by destiny, by design, by Haryana detection, by J&K police. I think we have avoided a disaster. The point is, I think I may be wrong. This man was transporting this ammunition on his way. It was not for a Red Fort traffic signal. He has waited at the Red Fort port. He has waited. Why has he waited? Why? What is he waiting for? Was he waiting for a signal to reach somewhere? So I think he was on his way. Now, what triggered the suicide thing, if it is suicide, or was it a mistake? I do not know. But he was on his way. And with so much of ammunition back home in his place, it was meant for sleeper cells around the country. I think we have nipped it just perfectly in time. And different questions are different. But I think this man was not a suicide. He's got trapped. I think he's pressed it.